So I'm gonna be going away for 3 months, 14 weeks traveling, and this is what I'm gonna take with me. All this here has got to fit in this bag. So I decided instead of having a huge bag and a little bag, I'm gonna have one medium-sized bag. So it's only 40 litres, but this is all gonna fit in there. So obviously got my laptop, eh, travel documents, passport, headphones, noise cancelling headphones for the plane. It's a must. Got a new Anchor charger to take on the road. Really good. Sunglasses. I've got my camera for the bits and bobs. Toiletries. I'm going to take two pair of shoes, right? So I'll show you guys. Got these. Some Puma runners. Pretty cheap actually. Really comfy. These are going to be my walking around during the day shoes, because they'll be comfy and my back won't hurt as much while wearing them. And these Van shoes are for a night when I'm chilling. Always bring two pair of shoes. If you bring one pair of shoes, they will just stink. Also, if they get wet, you've got a backup pair. So that's why this is just going to be cables in there. T-shirts, I'm only going to take 4 T-shirts with me, so 3 and then 1 travelling with one on the plane. I'll probably end up buying a couple of football tops or something, so there's no point taking too many T-shirts. Boxers, 5 pair of boxers. Socks, I'm going to take 8 pairs of socks. Socks to wear during the day, and socks for the night. Socks is another one of those ones that if you don't change them, they'll just stink. So I've got trainer socks to wear with shorts, and I've got comfy ones to wear at night or whatever. So that's pretty much it. So everything, this is all I'm going to take with me, and it's all going to fit into this 40 litre bag. So that's pretty much it. The only other thing to come is maybe a couple of plugs. And well, one plug actually, like an adapter. I'll go show you. One of these bad boys here I take with me. So this is the best one I've got, because it's got 2 USB-Cs and 2 normal USBs. And obviously you can change it up to whatever adapter you need, depending on what country you're in. So that's going to be great. And that's it. This is all I'm going to take for 3 months. Jacket as well. That jacket's going to hopefully fit in here. And I'm going to wear a hoodie, one jacket, 2 pairs of trousers, 2 shorts, 5 boxers, 8, 7 socks, 2 pairs of shoes. So hopefully this is all going to fit in here. This is pretty big actually, so here I'll put some electronics and stuff. Here I'll be like boxers and socks, and then I'll put toiletries and stuff behind there. This bit will be the main bulk of the clothes, and the camera potentially, and then it's got a pocket at the back here. Yeah, pocket at the back. This bit to slide. That's actually, sorry, that's not a pocket at the back, that's all extra pocket to put some stuff in. And then in here is the laptop pocket. So laptop will go in there, and this potentially will go in there as well. It's now a bit out of sight. What else is going to do? There's potentially something else. Yeah, where is it? I can't see it. I've lost it. This little bag here, right? So when I go on a plane, so my first plane is to Barcelona, so that's going to go under because it's too big for Ryanair. So I'm going to put my valuables, obviously the laptop, camera, passport, in this little backpack, take on a plane with me. That can go under or above me. Just so if that goes under the plane, like under the hold, they're not going to throw my laptop and my camera, etc. about. So that's why I've got this. So I always take a little backpack with this, because then you can take stuff on the plane with you, and I can go under. Because I might get a flight later on the trip, and they'll be, oh, your bag's too big to go on the plane, you'll have to put it in the hold. So I have one of these for like 10 quid, 15 quid off Amazon. You can put your valuables in here, stuff that you don't want to go on the hold. Take this. So apart from that, this is pretty much everything I'm going to have for the next 3 months. Pretty light, and I'm going to do, second part of this video will just be showing you all of this crammed into that bag. So everything is now in the bag. I can pull the straps back as well. There's probably a little bit more room. Yeah, it's definitely some more room in there for a few T-shirts. But let's check the weight. So I'm I'm getting 3 flights on Monday, 2 days from now. So I've got a 10 kilogram allowance for this bag. Yep, under. That's including the laptop. So there we go. That's everything you've seen before in one bag. And I've got this big bit here to put water in as well. Where is it? Yeah, here. I could actually maybe put my headphones in there. Yeah, I'll probably put my headphones in here, and I'll put a water bottle in there, because Edinburgh Airport you can take up to 2 litres of water, so I'll probably take a water bottle on my travels. But yeah, that's it. All packed and ready for the next 3 months. Let's go.